Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your HoneyBook account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you accept credit card payments with your HoneyBook account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to accept payments through HoneyBook anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe doing coaching, you know that chasing down your clients for payments can be time consuming, but with HoneyBook, you can send them an invoice and they can pay directly through the invoice with their credit card. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your HoneyBook dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my HoneyBook and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and accept credit card payments through HoneyBook, first you're going to need to connect your bank account. And what you're going to do is here on the top right, you're going to click on your initials. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and you want to click here on company settings. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left and you want to click here on bank details. Okay, so in order to accept credit card payments through HoneyBook, you have to add your bank account. So I've already connected mine. If you haven't, you're going to need to choose the company type that you have. So individual, corporation, LLC. And then once you do that, you're going to be able to enter in your banking information. And let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so when you are asked to enter in your banking information, you're going to need to enter in your business name, your MCC code. Here you need to enter in your social media profile or your website URL. If you don't have that, you want to be sure to list out the product description, what you're selling with your HoneyBook. And then down here, you're going to enter in the name of the bank, the routing number, and the account number. That information you can get from a paper check, and then you'll click on save. Okay, once you have saved that, it's going to process for a few moments. If it doesn't refresh, just open up another browser and then copy this link and then open it up again right here on a new tab. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you for the business owner information. So this is going to be your personal information. Let me open this up and show you what that looks like. Okay, so here is the information that you're required to provide in order to accept credit cards through HoneyBook. So they're asking for the first name, last name, date of birth, social security number, home address, email address, and phone number. And then after that, you're going to need to upload a government issued ID. So it can be a driver's license or a passport. I just used my passport, and then you'll click on save. Okay, as soon as you click on save, the page is going to refresh. And once you do that, you'll be able to accept credit cards. So mine was approved immediately. I'm not sure why that is because HoneyBook actually uses Stripe. You can see right down here, Stripe connected account agreement. So I have an existing Stripe account, so maybe that has something to do with it. If there's any kind of errors, you're going to get a red bar across the top letting you know that you're missing information, and you just come back in here and edit it. And once it's all approved like mine is, you're going to click right here, client payment methods. Okay, so as you can see, my clients can go ahead and pay directly through the invoice using their credit card, and you get charged these fees 2.9 plus 25 cents. If it's a recurring payment, then I'm charged 3.4%, which is a little bit higher, and 9 cents per transaction. So this is like a monthly recurring, if you have some sort of monthly recurring charge. And then also there's these other fees down here, instant deposit. So if a customer pays me, if I don't want to wait 2 to 3 days for it to go into my regular bank account, then I can ask to instant deposit, but they're going to charge me 1% on that. And then also my clients can go ahead and do an ACH payment, so a bank-to-bank transfer, and that's going to take 7 to 8 business days, but the fee on that is only 1.5%. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to accept credit card payments through your HoneyBook, that's the easiest way I know how to set that up. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.